Good morning, everybody. My name is Bryce Kirkpatrick, and I work here at Realtor Solutions. And I kind of wanted to go over to you this morning. I know we're still in the middle of August. Heat's still up, still hot outside, but now's a great time to start getting ready for those fall pre-emerge applications. Fall pre-emerge is a very vital part of the weed control program that we do here at Realtor Solutions. The product we put down kind of ranges in many different forms. You can either do a granular form or a liquid form, and what those products do is they help with the actual control the enzyme that the weed seeds use to germinate. And so right now we're kind of still in the transition of having those summer weeds, so you're still seeing those weeds out there, but once we start getting on into September and October time frame, we're going to start getting to those cooler temperatures, and once we start doing that, the weeds you're currently seeing now are going to slowly start dying off if you still have those, and then of course you'll get ready for those winter weeds. And so we want to go ahead and get those pre-emerges down here for too long to go ahead and so we can prevent those winter weeds from making their appearance and causing that yard to look ugly. Once the grass starts going dormant, it starts getting that brown color look to it, and obviously if you see anything that's green, it's a weed. And so you want to make sure to get those pre-emerges down and go ahead and prevent those weeds from germinating. And then of course we like to do more pre-emerges on into the rest of the season to get ready, because there's different germination types. You have fall and spring are your main germination cycles for weeds. So you want to get those pre-emerges down relatively quickly to kind of prevent those weeds from germinating. So if you have any questions or concerns, or if there's anything we can do to help you about getting ready to do a pre-emerge application, just give us a call at 478-988-0043, and we'll be glad to come out, no charge to you, and talk to you about a program for your yard, about how we can get those pre-emerges down and give you that yard that you look for next spring when everybody starts greening and with no weeds. So if you got any questions, give us a call. Thanks.